So this is a video like that's completely out of context, but I'm gonna teach y'all how to do volume, draw a square or a cube. Let me add the extra parts to it. Okay, so you have your square done. Now let's put in some random numbers. Now I just use some common numbers like 7, 8, 9, except in a different way. Now, how you want to solve this though, it's pretty cool. Let me show you how. Okay, so basically you multiply all your numbers together. Now, if you're in a lesser grade, this is basically for 5th graders like me. But, you could be in 4th grade and you're just learning this stuff early. So you're lucky if you pretty much remember this kind of stuff. And so I will be doing more problems and we will be reviewing them. Not reviewing them, but God, reviewing them. So basically, what is 8 times 7? If you said 56, then that is right. So let me write that down. Okay, so basically, now you got 56 written down. Now you do 56 times 9. Now, if you're in a lesser grade than 4th grade, then it's pretty hard for you. But, I bet you can do it. I'm going to show you how. So I bet you guys have seen these kinds of problems if you're in 3rd grade, right? Well, there's a more difficult problem. This. Now, this might seem hard, but I bet you can do it. Let me show you how. Okay, so let me unpack my marker. How you do this problem is 6 times 9, I get it, funny number, I don't really care, is 54. So you regroup right here. And then you put your 4 down here. So then 5 times 9 is 45, and 45 times, not times, God, but plus 5 is 50. So I've already looked up the answer on Google many times. It's 504. That's how you do volume. Now, let's do some more problems. Okay, so basically, what we all remembered was if you go back into the video, like, you go back and you can actually, you can look this up. You can, except this is like kind of the explanation on YouTube of the lesser viewed YouTube girl. So basically, you can do this problem by multiplying them, right? So if you said multiplying, you're right. You put little multiplication signs around here. That's at least what I do. I usually make drawing videos, gacha videos, but this time, we're screwing it all, making some studies. So basically, 8 times 9 is 72. I haven't looked this answer up yet, so I'm gonna look at... Oh my god, slingshot switch, come on. Okay. So 72 times 6, and if you're wondering, that was my brother's slingshot switch. So basically, you multiply these two. So then, what's 2 times 6? If you said 12, that's correct. You regroup, do that. Now, 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 1 is 5. Wait, hold up. Okay, so sorry about that. It took me a minute to realize that that's 43, not 52. Like what the fudge, Anna? Like, what? So, 432 is the answer. So, in the cube, you want to write 432. Now, I don't really care if you're marking this off or not, but this is just one of the simplest ways to do volume. Let's do another problem, shall we? So this one is more difficult than others, except it's not really. 5 times 10 times 9. Now, I already told you how to do single digit. Then later on, you get into this stuff, except I'm teaching you early, because, it took us a few months to, get into this part. But soon you're going to have problems like this. So if you think that this is horrific, you have to do this sooner. I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so basically, if you haven't learned double-digit multiplication, then here's how. So basically, you stack up your numbers. And you do one digit at the bottom layer at a time, one at a time. So 5 times 5 is 25, right? Yeah, it is. Then 5 times 5 is also 25. So 25 plus 2 is 27. And that's the first one. And so then you cross, drop. Okay? So basically, then we have a 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Regroup that 1, bring down the 0. 2 times 5 is also 10. And 10 plus 1 is 11. So you're left with 1,100 plus 275. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. Add your comma and put a 1. Since you can add a 0 right there to make it easier for you, but I don't really care. You don't have to. So then you do 1,375 times 72. Basically, you do it the exact same, except like with 2 more digits on the top. Except you do the same exact thing, but except you don't add. You don't add, you just get your answer. Okay. 2 times 5 is 10, right? So, and then 2 times 7 is 14, and 14 plus 1 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Got your comma? 2 plus... Wait. Oh, wait. You do the adding. Shoot. I forgot. Yeah, but if it's like just the 2, or if it's just the 2, then you wouldn't do adding and you just get your answer. But, yeah, you do the adding. So, basically... Okay, so basically 2 times 1 is 2. Then you would cross, drop. Okay? 7 times 5 is what? I forgot myself. But it's 35. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 3 is 52. Regroup that 5. Bring down that 2. Add a comma. 7 times 3 is what? 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. Basically, you bring up that 2, bring down the 6. And 7 times 1, oh, forgot the camera right there. 7 times 1 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. Add the 9 right there, and then you add the plus symbol. Bring down that line right there. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Add a comma. 2 times 6 plus 6. God. Sorry about that. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And then you add another 9. So that'd be 99,000, my friend. Yes. 72 plus 55 plus 55, not plus, God, but 72 times 25 times 55, my friend, is 99,000. And I just taught you all to do this. If you weren't listening, we're going to go over more stuff. But, yeah. Let's get to this problem now. I'm going to erase all of this in a quick swoop, and then we'll be done. Okay, so I'm teaching you all how to do this one now. So 5 times 10 is 50. Then you do 50 times 9. That'd be 0. And 5 times 9 is 45. So my friend, that would be 450. Or an easier way to do this problem is you can just cover up your zeros. And so you do 5 times 1 times 9, and you just add that 0 back. Like, it's so easy. Just add a 0, and boom, you would have your answer. Let's do our next problem. This one is super easy. Okay, I don't know how you would get this. But it's only 3 digits, which that's how volume works. So basically, volume equals base times height times width. Now, basically, what this means, so this is the base right here, which is the 3. So this is the height, which is 2. And this is the base. Wait, I feel like this is the width, this is the height, and this is the base, right? Yeah, okay. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. Now, if that was a 30, then that'd be 240, but we didn't add a 0 to it, and also we would just cover up our zeros. Next problem. Oh wait, I forgot. Let me draw something. We're moving on to bigger numbers, 70 times 2 times 3. This one, you could just cover up your 0 like usual. Just color around it. 7 times 2 is 14. Enter 14 right here. And 14 times 3. Let me do this problem. Hold up. So basically, we have our layout now. Let's do the problem. 3 times 4 is 12. Regroup. Drop the 2. 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 42. Now, we have a 70 here. That's not a 7. That's 70. So you have 42 right now. So not delete God, but erase that. If you're doing those on whiteboard, erase that 14. I was doing that to trick you guys. So you right now have 42. You'll have 42. And then you add your 0. And boom, 420. Let's do another problem. Okay, next problem. Here we go. Basically, we have 6 times 9 times 90. Now, erase that 0. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 6 is what? Let's do it. 81 times 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 8. 6 went on a date with 8, and then they had 48. So you have 486. Except add your 0. That, my friend, would be 4,860. So this would be 4,860. Let's do another one. Actually, basically, what I want you to do, I want you to do these last 4 problems on your own. Let's go. This is number 1. 10 times 8 times 7. Do this on a piece of paper. This is number 2. 20 times 8 times 6. This one is super simple. Both of these are really simple. I expect you to do them. You got this, honey. Or darling or honey, whatever the heck your gender is. Okay, let's move on to number 3. Number 3, it's kind of more difficult. 80 times 9 times 6. You got this. Okay? I'm assuming your teacher's really nice and cool. You got this. And if you need help, ask a teacher or a trusted adult. Move on to number 4. Number 4, 7 times 90 times 6. You got this, okay? Like, y'all really don't need to be, like, such a problem with this kind of problem. Like, it's so easy. Just do it. Actually, I'm going to make you all do 6, so please don't yell at me in my comments. Like, come on, y'all. Come on, you said you need to do 4. Shut up. Okay, so 1 times 60 times 2. You got this one, okay? Just do it. It's fine. I taught you all how to do it in this video. Let's move on to number 6. Okay, so number 6, 7 times 10 times 7. Or not 10, but 70. Okay. You got this. Actually, I'm going to make you all do 8. I'm sorry, I keep on changing the number. Let's move on to number 7. Number 7. 50 times 8 times 7. You got this. Just do it. Our last one. 9 times 30 times 8. Come on. Y'all got this. I'm going to show you how to do a really difficult one. Actually, you know what? I only have 20 seconds left on this video. So, I just want to say thank you all so much for reaching 75 subs on my channel. I never thought I could reach this much. No, I really hope you have a good day. This is just out of context on my channel. This is how much you have to do after, it's not really that hard. But, yeah, have a good day. Thank you. Thank you for watching.